Okay, she recording. She recording. She recording. This fucker is recording right now.
Light him up! Light him up! Fucking do this right!
When you're ready. She recording. She recording right now. She recording right now. Look, Ronnie on the balcony.
Fucking fanging out.
What is this? Hawaii Kai, Ole Waipahune, and Kalihi.
You ready?
I was always ready. Oh shit! Time to get serious.
Videotape! Fucking videotape!
Time to get serious. Ooh! Ow! Ow! Ah! You fucker! Nobody move. Nobody move. Nobody move. Nobody move. Nobody move. And then Ronnie come.
Why?
and then Ronnie come.
So hairs, bro.
Ah, shit.
How's your chest hairs, man?
Oh, that first one wouldn't hurt.
The fucking first one didn't hurt.
That first one wouldn't hurt.
I got the double whammy, bro. The fucking hairs, bro.
The first one wouldn't hurt.
Cannot believe it. Oh, bro, I took him off the chest, bro. Oh, fuck, that hurt.
Oh, that hurt.
That was mean, though. That was the most not.
By the way, this was take 3.
Oh, the fucking the first one didn't hurt.
Ah, shit.
Wait, we're going in the light right now. We're going in the light.
Oh, that one had the most. Check him out. Go check that fucker out.
You really did first person.
Ah, that fucker wouldn't hurt. Ah, that fucker wouldn't hurt. Owie. Owie. Ow.
Fuck, I get Battlestar 2. One side real quick. Hurry up.
I'm here, you I'm away. I'm here to stay. Goodbye. Someone tell me why did you have to go and leave my world so cold?
Yeah.